In a fast-paced world where technology redefines convenience, Ally Bank's modern approach perfectly aligns with today's expectations. The seamless integration of savings buckets lets users compartmentalize their finances effortlessly, ensuring that each dollar serves a specific purpose. Want to save for a vacation while maintaining an emergency fund? No problem. With easy access to all features, managing personal finances becomes not just intuitive, but enjoyable. This innovative approach empowers you to visualize your financial goals, making saving feel less like a chore and more like a rewarding experience. Let's explore how Ally Bank sets itself apart in the highly competitive landscape of online savings. First and foremost, the user interface isn't just visually appealing. It promotes an unparalleled user journey. From beginners to tech enthusiasts, everyone will appreciate the quick access to their financial insights. Imagine swiping through a sleek app that feels tailored to your lifestyle, simplifying banking so much that even your grandparents can navigate it effortlessly. Ally has truly elevated user experience to a level where saving money can become an engaging part of your daily routine, pushing boundaries you didn't know existed. When it comes to the features that make Ally Bank an unbeatable choice, automation takes center stage. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your savings are steadily growing without any extra effort on your part. With Ally's Surprise Savings feature, the app uses its AI to analyze your spending and seamlessly transfers small amounts from your checking account into your savings. This means you can save money without even realizing it, making it feel like a gift to your future self. Plus, with the easy automation of regular transfers and scheduled deposits, you can set your financial goals on autopilot, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your life. Saving has never been this simple or effortless. From the moment you open the Ally Bank app, you're greeted with a dashboard that feels like a personal finance assistant designed by experts. The colors are warm and inviting, and the icons are intuitive, ensuring that even complex functions are just a tap away. With each interaction, users can sense the care and innovation embedded in every feature. Plus, the real-time updates on savings goals provide instant gratification, showing you exactly how your hard work pays off day by day. Whether you're saving for your dream vacation or ensuring a secure future, Ally makes it all visually enjoyable and straightforward. As we delve deeper into Ally Bank's offerings, one feature stands out: the synchronization of desktop and mobile experiences. Imagine managing your finances seamlessly across devices without any hiccups. Whether you're at home on your laptop or on the go with your smartphone, Ally ensures that your banking experience remains consistent and user-friendly. This level of integration not only caters to your lifestyle but also reflects the bankie's commitment to creating a cohesive and modern banking environment, allowing you to stay in control of your financial journey no matter where you are. Yet another remarkable aspect of Ally Bank is its strong security measures, which are essential in today's digital age. All user accounts are fortified with biometric login options, ensuring that only you have access to your funds. Alongside this, two-factor authentication offers an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. As you navigate your finances, Ally not only prioritizes user experience but also safeguards your information, leaving you to focus on growing your savings without anxiety over security. With the peace of mind that comes from robust fraud monitoring and immediate transaction alerts, you can manage your money confidently and securely, knowing that your financial motivations are always protected. Ally Bank's competitive advantage doesn't just lie in its features. It's also rooted in a purpose-driven approach to customer satisfaction. The empowering feedback from users speaks volumes about their commitment to innovation and excellence. With Ally, I feel like I'm part of the financial future, one user enthusiastically shared. Another remarked, "It's not just a bank. It's a transformative experience that simplifies my money management." These testimonials highlight the emotional connection users form with the platform, reflecting a shared desire for a banking experience that resonates with modern sensibilities. It's clear that Ally Bank has successfully captured the hearts and minds of its customers, making it an essential choice for anyone ready to embrace the future of banking. Ally goes beyond mere functionality. It fosters a community of savers motivated by shared goals and innovative solutions. As we look at the transformative elements of Ally Bank, let's not overlook the financial benefits you can actually reap. By utilizing Ally's high APY of 4.35%, your funds won't just sit idly, they'll work diligently on your behalf. For those who can commit a bit more upfront, imagine a balance of $25,000 that would yield over $1,000 annually, simply by letting Ally handle your savings. This isn't merely banking, it's about strategic financial growth tailored for you, the tech-savvy individual who values both efficiency and innovation. As your goals shift and evolve, Ally adapts quickly, offering you the flexibility to maximize your savings potential while you focus on your ambitions. Are you ready to unlock your future with a powerful tool designed precisely for modern savers like you? Ally Bank not only captures attention with its sleek design and advanced automation, but also revolutionizes the savings experience through its unique offerings. Among these, the Savings Buckets feature stands out, allowing users to visualize separate financial goals within a single account. This means you can earmark funds for travel, emergencies, and special occasions without the hassle of maintaining multiple accounts. Each bucket provides a visual progress tracker, making it easier to stay motivated and committed to your goals. Users rave about how this functionality has reshaped their approach to finances, turning saving from a tedious task into an engaging and interactive journey. As you interact with your account, visual aids support your financial aspirations, providing ongoing encouragement. Ally ensures that you not only save but thrive in your financial endeavors, embracing the future of banking through an app that prioritizes your needs and ambitions. From the practical to the extraordinary, Ally Bank's features empower you to redefine how you save. Picture sitting down with your smartphone or laptop and feeling excitement instead of dread. With the Savings Buckets functionality, every dollar you set aside serves a unique purpose, crafting a comprehensive financial strategy that aligns with your life goals. Each bucket acts like a motivational tool, visually demonstrating your progress and making the experience of saving rewarding and fulfilling. It is not just about numbers, it is about building a future that brings you joy and security as you excel in managing your finances. In a world where technology and finance intersect, Ally Bank emerges as the premier choice for savvy savers seeking a modern, efficient banking experience. With its user-centric design, robust features, and commitment to security, it's clear that Ally is shaping the future of banking for tech enthusiasts everywhere. Embrace this evolution and take control of your financial journey today. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.